Hello friends, I'm Joana from Joana Miranda Studio, and this is my video series, Art Bag, Time-Saving Tips and Tricks. After 8 months of living through a pandemic, and it's still not over of course, not to mention having to deal with political and social unrest, I bet you're feeling a little bit like I am, which is to say worn out. So today, instead of bringing you an art tip or trick, I thought I would just offer up a little bit of levity, through some illustration of course, because as Victor Borge once said, laughter is the closest distance between two people. The way I see it, if you can't be together with your friends sharing a laugh, you can at least create some imaginary friends with which to share some laughs.
Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha!
And that's it for today's Art Bag Time-Saving Tips and Tricks video. If you've enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider giving it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget that I post these videos every Monday and Friday. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll consider doing so. And if you do, don't forget to toggle on the little bell so that you receive a notification each time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!